Here we have an ultra low mileage Audi A1 Sportback S-Tronic. This car hasn't even covered 3,000 miles a year. It has a few options as well, which are quite rare. So if you're looking for a low mileage, small automatic, this is definitely a car to consider. Please call the team on 0131 348 3210 or drop an email to info@gtiworld.co.uk where you can make an appointment to come and view this superb car. We look forward to seeing you.